holiday season is here. Orders are streaming in by the thousands, and your warehouse is struggling to keep up with demand. Manual piece picking can only do so much. We have the solution. Meet the Butler. The grey-orange Butler is an advanced goods-to-man order picking system. The system performs many tasks in parallel, removing bottlenecks and helping you to fulfill large orders quickly and accurately. Operators stock inventory at their stations without needing to walk to the shelves. Let the Butler do the walking for you. The Butler system uses algorithms to intelligently and dynamically group items on the shelves. It learns your past and current order data and rearranges storage racks so fast-moving SKUs are nearer to picking stations. Operators require minimal training and can start using the system immediately. Best of all, it works seamlessly with existing warehouse management systems. The Butler's mobile storage units are double-sided and can be placed in double-deep storage configurations. This means warehouses can increase their inventory storage density. The Butlers work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They head to charging stations automatically when power runs low. The system makes it safer for operators, allowing orders to be picked at high speed and accuracy. When orders are received, the Butlers bring shelves to the pick station for the items to be picked. Multiple orders can be fulfilled at once, saving time and effort for the operators. Fulfilling large holiday orders doesn't sound as impossible now, does it? The Butler, one big step forward.